Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today Melly and I are going to visit some galleries at Tehran and we are going to show them what's going on in galleries. So stay with us and have some fun. I haven't visited any galleries for a while, but today we decided to take a look at the latest galleries in Ordibehesht in Tehran, and I saw some pictures of them and they were really nice. So we decided to take some vlog for you to show you what's going on there. So let's pick up Melly. And as you can see, the weather is cloudy today and it's almost 6 p.m. and we have heavy traffic in our way. So let's go to H Gallery, the first gallery we are going to visit.
It's quiet in my hotel room. There's no dogs, no family. I could just relax, and then I could pack up my stuff, beforehand, so then I would climb into bed.
So as I have a way of 20 minutes ride to pick Melly up, I decided to listen to one of the most popular episodes of Mel Robbins podcast. I don't know how many of you people listen to her podcast, but it becomes one of my favorites. And I'm currently listening to 3 decisions you must take to change your life. And it's really interesting. So now we are visiting H Gallery in Golhak in Tehran. It's one of the famous galleries which is running now in Tehran, and it has a special and kind of weird name because its name is H Gallery. And H, I'm gonna tell you about the name of this gallery. Palace of H, also known as Ardashir's first palace, is located in Takht Jamshid, Shiraz, and the name of this gallery stands for that palace's name. It's about one of the Nasruddin Shah's wife, and you can see beautiful paintings of that village, as you can see here. And here you can see beautiful paintings of that village and trees and some beautiful forests. And this atmosphere here is very friendly and it's very calm and sweet. And as you're watching this video, it might be over, but if you have the chance to revisit here again, don't miss this chance. As you can see here, there are some sentences about this place, these paintings, which is back to Nasiruddin Shah dynasty when he was fall in love with a girl whose name was Khanum Bashi, and she was really rich, but she didn't want to get married with Nasiruddin Shah, who was the king of Iran. She had so many lands, and one of them was Khangah. Her grandson actually worked on that Khangah, and now you can see many paintings which is about Khangah and all of the trees, houses in it, and here we are showing you these paintings. It's so beautiful. It's weird. What's that?